Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. So I did another Lululemon haul. I have a lot to go over with you. Before I forget, if you like athleisure, if you like finding clothes that fit your body and make you feel like comfortable and sexy in your body today, subscribe to my channel. I have so many awesome videos coming up. I can't wait to share with you. I'm not going to ramble too much, so let's just get into it. The very first thing that I picked up, because I knew like a lot of people were picking up the sunset colored clothing items from Lululemon, I picked up the Long Line Energy Ribbed Bra. I got this in a size 12 and it is not tight at all. I think I could have even went with a size 10, being that I wanted a looser fit and not too big. I'm fine with it because I like the fact that I can, once I do lose weight, I can kind of use this as like a crop top. It's absolutely gorgeous. Everyone's right. The camera does not do this color justice. In person, it's just this beautiful melon color. It's not orange, it's not pink. It's just really unique, and I love this color with like a tan. If you had really dark hair, it would really make your skin and your eyes and your hair pop. Same with blonde. This would be bomb. The next thing I picked up was a hooded jacket, and I got this hooded jacket because it had a very interesting silhouette to it. And I haven't seen a lot of people talk about this, but one way to really make your shape look really tight is to accentuate even areas maybe you think wouldn't look good with it being tight there, but this jacket does it. And you're gonna see in the try-on portion that it's tighter right through here from like your lower waist through your hip. And I like how it gives you some coverage, but yet gives your body shape. And it's really, really beautiful. It's got a really nice size hood on it. There is a nice big zipper. I got this in a size 8 because I want it to be form-fitting. I do. I want it to be form-fitting, but I also wanted the top to be a little bit baggier as this was intended to be. So I love these two together. This underneath of this hooded jacket is just gorgeous. Okay, so the next thing that I picked up was another Define jacket in the Nulu fabric, and I am obsessed with this color, you guys. It's kind of like it's almost like a neutral to me because it's not gray, but it would match with browns, it would match with black, with white, with grays. It would match with pretty much everything. This is such a unique, universal color. The actual color is Tidewater Teal, and I got this in a size 10. The last haul I did, I got them in a size 12, but I wanted this one just a little bit tighter than the last one, so that's why I went with a size 10. Again, super soft. I love how they design these coats. You can flip this over if your hands are cold. Just absolutely beautiful. So soft, so gorgeous, and again, I love this color. Okay, so the next thing that I purchased was a pair of Aligns, and I got them in the Battleship Nimbus color. And I went with this color because, for one, it's not a solid, it's not white, and it's not gray, and it gives a little bit of texture and dimension to the pant. So I feel like if you had any imperfections, this pattern would really do good to hide some of it for you. Again, super soft. I love it. It's like a neutral color. You could pair this with so many beautiful tops, sweatshirts, big t-shirts, fitted t-shirts, just anything. And I really like this length for summer, the 21 inch, and I got them in a size 4. To match these Aligns, I picked up the Free to Be Wild bra, and I also got this in the Battleship Nimbus, and I'm obsessed with the back. I think this blush colored pink meshed with the gray and white is absolutely stunning. It's so pretty. I love the way it looks on. I got this in a size 12, so it would be not tight and still hold all my girls where they need to be. I really, really like it. I think it's very beautiful, and I think the two together is a really great set. Okay, so probably one of the other things I was most excited for in this haul were the Wonder Trains and the color Water Drop. This is not purple and it's not blue, but if there was a perfect mixture of the two of those combined, that's the color that these are. They are absolutely stunning. Again, not black, not white, but think of all the different colors that would match so beautiful with this. Like a pink shirt, even yellow, white, black. Oh, the options are just endless. I absolutely love this color. I think it's understated, but yet is exciting, and I like that about them. I wanted to find two tops that I could wear with these pants that would, I think, essentially look really crisp and clean, and like I said before, have your hair and your makeup done and wear this going anywhere, just wonderful. So I picked up this All Yours tee and I got it in a size 4. And the reason I went with a size 4 is because I want it to hit just that sweet spot where it's not tight and it's not loose. So it's not making me look bigger than I am, but it's not small either. So it's not showing every bump and lump. So this is just the perfect size. I got this again in a size 4. I like the detail in the back, how it's just a vertical line. There's a little bit of weight to this material, so I understand why it's a little bit more expensive than just like a regular cotton tee, because it's not going to scrunch and bunch up because it has really good fabric that's weighing it down to keep you more streamlined. So I really appreciate that in this white t-shirt. I think it's really, really great. The other t-shirt that I picked up was what everyone raves about. I have heard so many people talk about the Kate's tee, and I wanted this in a gray because I like gray. It matches with everything. Again, it's a neutral. You could put things over top of this. You could layer this over things if you wanted to, or you could throw it on over a swimsuit. So cute. Again, I love where this cuts off. This is not super, super cropped. That I prefer right now, so I really, really like it. I think it lays on the body very beautifully. I also got this in a size 4. I think it's super cute. There's just something really light and airy about it, and it feels so effortless, and that is just what we all want these days. Okay, so the very last thing that I picked up is I wanted to try a pair of Align shorts. Now, I got these in a size 6. These are not as long as I thought they were going to be. I think I'm going to pick up a size, or an inseam of the 8-inch instead of the 6. They are a size 4 though, so size 4, 6-inch inseam. But the next pair, I think I'm gonna go with the 8-inch, because I think just wearing like a large t-shirt, being super, super comfy, really just like no effort to it, but yet I think it would look really cute with a pair of sneakers. And I'm kind of all about the longer length right now, so I'm excited to pick some of those up. I have so many awesome videos coming up, so if you are interested in like tips and tricks on how to dress your today body and to feel tight and attractive and beautiful, stay tuned. I have so many awesome videos coming up. They're not just all going to be hauls. I really have just been on a kick lately with spring and all of the new colors, and it's been so much fun to share it all with you. If you enjoy my content, hit subscribe if you feel like it. If not, that's okay too. I will see you guys next week. Bye, girlies.